Hi video creators, are you worried that the videos you shoot are very shaky and cannot be edited? In today's video, I will show you how to use UniFab Stabilizer AI to stabilize your videos. Let's get started. First, head over to UniFab's official website to download the software for free. I've added the free download link in the description below. Once installed, launch the program. And on the homepage, you'll see several AI features. We will select Stabilizer and then import our video. Next, it is very simple. You only need to select the intensity after output to complete the whole process. There are 3 intensities to choose from: mild, moderate, and strong. On the right panel, you can preview your video and even trim clips before processing. Once everything looks good, set your export folder and simply click Start. See the results. UniFab's Stabilizer feature significantly improves the stability of the video, providing smoother pictures, clearer details, better coherence, and making each frame more visually appealing. It performs well in improving the quality of the picture, presenting excellent stabilization effects by reducing the effects of shaking and vibration. If you've tried this tool or have thoughts to share, drop your comments below. I'd love to hear your experience. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI content, and I'll see you in the next one.